Hello. So today I thought we would pick this one. It's a Stanley, brand new. In its wrapping it has the Stanley security rating 4, whatever that means, and it contains anti-pick pin. Kwikset series. It's a 40mm solid brass. Let's see if its anti-pick function actually works. And turn off my phone. That usually works. So, looks like a tiny little keyway. Let's see if we can get into this somehow. Where's my hook? There it is. So, a little bit of tension, and let's see what's going on in here. We have pin 1, feels like it's binding. So we have a click from pin 1, and pin 2 feels like it's absolutely solid. Nothing on pin 3, nothing on pin 4. Seems like that's all there is. 4 pins. No, has to be more. That was not the lock clicking, that was me. The pick touching the tension wrench. Oh dear. Yeah, well, it might be a Stanley and it might have a security rating of 4 or some sort of rating of 4, but that's not really all that challenging. So that's quite a waste of money, but still, standard, it felt like standard pins. I don't know about the anti-pick pins it said on the box, but anyway, that's a Stanley 40mm Kwikset series. Colossal waste of money. Bye!